Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Infrared. Welcome to the app. We gonna ride on them. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you got the black box, you got the red Jumpman on the top, the large Jumpman that is. Now looking around the sides, I mean it's an Air Jordan 6 box, man. Y'all already familiar with that, but you have the cement print effect going all around the bottom. On this side, you got the Jumpman with air. This side is just all black. So what we have is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Infrared. Now this is a highly anticipated shoe. It's one of them that I've been waiting on. And let's get into it, man. Now opening the box, it does come wrapped in the black paper. And that's pretty much it in the box. You're not getting no cards, you're not getting nothing. You know what I'm saying? So enough of the box, man. That ain't what we're here to see. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Infrared. The 2019 edition, release, whatever it is. Now, I can't lie, man. When I got these in hand, these things is A1, man. I don't have no problem with my pairs or none of the pairs that we have. Everything is A1, man. And everything is 100% authentic because we don't do fakes over here, man. So let me just put that disclaimer out there before everybody go to talking that talk that I'm hearing now. I don't know what these other YouTubers doing, and it don't matter to me. But over here, everything's 100% authentic, my boy. You hear me? Now looking at the bottom of the shoe, you got the white, black, and you got the red Jumpman. Got the translucent outsole and everything. There it is from the side. There's the front, top of the toe box, and there's the tongue. You see you got the red Jumpman. You got the little lace locks. Now on one side you have Nike, and on the other side of it, you have the Jumpman. You feel me? And you got the Air Jordan on the top of the tongue. The medial side, y'all already see what's the album. And the back, that highly coveted Nike Air that everybody like to go crazy about. But hey, it is what it is, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. There's no difference. The quality's on point. I don't see no blemishes or nothing. Nothing's wrong with any of my pairs, man. So I don't have no glue problems, no defects, nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I know they did have this sneak drop. When was it? Friday, I believe it was, or whenever it was. And a lot of people say they took L's, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. Get your chips ready, man. Get these things about to drop, man. Let's look at the Nike Air on the back. Let's look at that Nike Air on the back that y'all love or whatever. Medial side. Everything's the same, man. You know, but all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe. It's well put together, man. It's looking real good. Hold up. Let me try to get this to give y'all a look at the insole. I know y'all can't see it, but here it is. You got the insole. You got that infrared with the Nike Air on it. And it got a little bit of extra cushion on it, too. I didn't take it out to show y'all, man, but, you know, something's different. They're a little bit more comfortable than the older sixes, man. You know, that insole is a little bit more comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So when you get your pairs, go ahead and check that out, man. But overall, man, I think it's a dope shoe. It's highly coveted. Been waiting on these, man, and I don't think they're disappointed, man, with this release. You know what I'm saying? Looks like to me they put their best foot forward to try to give us a quality product. You know what I'm saying? At least that's what I see so far. If you didn't see that, man, let me know in the comments, man. But look at this. Come on, man. This is what we want, huh? That's what y'all want, huh? You know, like I said, it's a well put together shoe, man. I don't have no complaints about it. Everything met my expectations. You know what I mean? And you know these gonna sell out. At least I think so. So a lot of people going crazy for these joints, man. I heard a lot of people took the L on the sneakers app and whatnot. So we just gonna have to see how it does, man. But other than that, man, I feel like the shoe is dope. That's another look at it. A little slow motion flow, you hear me? The shoe is dope. Everything is on point. I don't have no blemishes or nothing. I don't have no complaints. So I think it's gonna be a successful drop, man. But let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. If you're feeling these or not. How you feel about the sneakers app when they dropped them, man, or whatnot. You feel me? So that was my look at the Air Jordan 6 Black Infrared. Follows on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel. Share a video. Overall, I think it's a dope shoe, man. And it should do good. Let's get into the on foot, and I'ma holler back.
100 miles and running, I'm gunning and stunning. I done him, roller drumming, your son them gon' hate how I'm coming. Fuck you and your woman, niggas got funny ways like fag. You forgot I was the hit man when I ran with bag. I put it on your fucking ass, is you listening, nigga? I'm a G from the 3 block, I see the bitch in you niggas. Catch the curveball, I'm pitching you niggas. And I ain't gotta beat around the bush, bitch, I dig a ditch in you niggas. Old scare ass little boys, I see the switch in you niggas. This bitch done put me at linebacker, now I'm blitzing you niggas. On the same team, same game, with a whole nother mind frame. Dumbass little niggas out here trying to play mind games. But I gotta get mine, man, no matter the cost. If I'm paid, if I'm broke, bitch, I'm still a boss. Real niggas don't give a fuck if you paid and you so raw. If I feel played, I take it back to that old law. So here it is, fuck you, your family and your kids. Better believe I'm about one, bang your coin where you live. I'm ready to bat you, ready to get you, the body snatcher. You violate one time and I'm coming at you. Hold tight, niggas, no fight, niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight, niggas. Hold tight, niggas, no fight, niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight, niggas. Hold tight, niggas, no fight, niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight, niggas. Hold tight, niggas, no fight, niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight, niggas. That is what you facing if you try. Big cold niggas, then try middle. Fucking with me niggas, then died before. I ain't no hoe, nigga, check your game before you step to this G. Cause Big Cole will pop up on your brains if you fucking with me. See, you niggas trying to test your best, watch out, I warned you. Bullets coming for your chest, you better have your best on ya. Cause when I come, I'm coming correct, I ain't gon' fake punk. When I pop my trunk and grab my pump, bitch, you gon' taste punk. You don't in the ditch, I can't be fucked with, nigga, so check it. Don't make me wreck it, cause in a second shit can get hectic. Respect it, just let it be known that I'm cold. Play that role and watch them red hot dots make bullet holes. The story goes like this for any punk bitch reppin', steppin', get caught in the wrath of my merciless murder weapon. Yeppin', you better believe I'm a soldier to the T. To my nigga B-A-double-G, I love you, rest in peace. This for them hold tight niggas, no fight niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight niggas. Hold tight niggas, no fight niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight niggas. Hold tight niggas, no fight niggas. All night flight, all bulk, no fight niggas. Hold tight niggas, no fight niggas. All night flight, all bulk.